We'd hate to lose you on the trip, so remain seated and keep your hands and feet inside the train. We would ask you to refrain from eating, drinking, and smoking throughout the journey. As we start our journey through the Australian adventure, on your left side you will see an old underground mine car. This is a relic of the Ballarat gold rush that petered out in the late 1800s, but not before a lot of fortunes were won and lost. Look for signs left by the miners during your walkabout. On your right, you'll see Aboriginal paintings. Found throughout Australia, these paintings show scenes of Aboriginal life and use coloured pigments found in nature. Like Native Americans, the Australian Aborigines live in close harmony with the environment, but they are nomadic hunters wandering the bush in search of food. On the left-hand side, we're passing old Platypus Pete's ute. Looks like his transport's broke. Pete's an old junk dealer making a living scrounging old stuff he sells to the tourists. Stop by and you may see all sorts of interesting items. Maybe even a roo or sheepskin rug. Just up ahead is the Pitcher Farm. Our old friend Caroline lived there, but the roos and dingoes have taken over the now deserted property. The downpipe and tank on the corner collect precious rainwater to see us through the long dry seasons. The impressive building on your left is Kookaburra Station, the biggest sheep farm in the state. Built by the Armstead family 150 years ago, it's now home to the Reinbergers, who would like to welcome you to their home. See the Bonza cubby house Billy and his dad built in the big gum tree. For great tucker, visit the Barbie at Matilda's Grill or jump in with the jumbucks in the pen. Quick mates, this here wool shed goes bonkers during the spring shearing season. The top shearer, known as the ringer, can shear as many as 300 sheep a day. It's back-breaking work, but the pay is good. The wool is diverted and packed into 400-pound bales and shipped to Sydney or Melbourne for auction. around and you see the drovers' campsite. Drovers round up the sheep for shearing, and today they've traded their horses for helicopters and motorcycles. The fences were built to protect the new lambs from the foxes and dingoes. Watch out there, the wombats have been constructing a new home. Hope the drovers don't step in the burrows. Well, mates, it's been fun touring the Outback with you. Koala Junction is up ahead, and we'll be saying goodbye. Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Be careful and help your children off the train, and watch your step as you exit to the right. Have a great time in the Australian adventure, and enjoy your walkabout.